Oh wait, no. Yo, I'm like sweating my life, but hey, this is everything. Can we?
Life it don't get
Girl, move.
easy.
Anyways, this is everything I have so far. So we have the keys. Hey y'all. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Selena. I pretty much just do lifestyle vlogs around like nursing school, nursing, yada yada yada. Maybe some travel vlogs here and there. You know, nothing too crazy because I'm really just broke university student. You know, it's nothing too crazy, just some slide. But so this vlog, this is future me talking, okay? This vlog was supposed to be about me building my PC, but I lost a lot of footage. So the beginning might look a little rough, so I'm sorry for that. But yeah, I hope y'all still enjoy it, okay? It's so I know it's been a while that I, did a vlog, and it was a reason because my PC is literally dying on me. So, I got a new one. Thanks to my man. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. Okay, this is everything out. Kimmy, she's in the frame. Girl, move. Anyways, this is everything I have so far. So we have the case. Look at the side. I got, wrong side. It has a glass thingy. Move. Oh my god. Sorry, y'all. It's like glass. Like, it's gonna look so cute. I'm putting little figurines in it. And yeah, it's gonna look cute. Anyways.
Yeah, sometimes I put my faith in people. Yeah. But there really ain't no equal. Oh, no.
Alright, y'all. Many hours later, I've completed most of the build. So this is what it looks like now. The only thing I forgot about the fan. The only thing I have to put is the GPU and the SSD, which is coming tomorrow. I didn't put the GPU because it's kind of in the way. Like, I wouldn't be able to put the SSD like correctly if I put the GPU now. But I do have like my cords ready and stuff. So I know I said I was gonna show you guys as I'm doing it, but I had to like call my man on Discord and FaceTime. So I was using both my phone and my PC. Anyways, it was a whole like operation. And yeah. Can I help myself? The only oopsie thing that I did was dent like one of the sides of the PC, like one of the covers, but it's not even the side that we're gonna see anyways. Like, it's really the glass part that we care about. But you know how I was saying how you can put like on this side, it's like a little platform. I could put like a little figurine or something. I do need to buy some little figurines. I'm thinking maybe a Sanrio one, or maybe one of those, I don't know how to call. It's like those little angel looking ones, and they're like all white. I'll try to put a picture here if I find it, but I think those are real cute. But I don't know how big they are. If they're small enough, I'm probably gonna put one of these in there. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm about to order some food because I'm cooking after this. If you knew how long I've been working on this PC and the fact that I'm not even done, I'm not cooking. I'm hot and buttered. Okay, hot and buttered. No, I'm ordering. I don't know what I'm gonna order, but I'm ordering something and I'm playing some games until I go to sleep and do it again tomorrow. Anyways, y'all, that's my shit for today. So, see you tomorrow.
Never listen when it don't change. The same Monday into Sunday. Yeah, even at a young age. You've been holding me the whole way. Let me sit back cause it's your show. But I'ma sit up in the front row. Don't gotta tell you, you already know. Yes, you know. Only you can do take the sun and the moon, hold it all down. You always.
Okay, my man is so cute because I think I'm literally repeating what I said yesterday, but I forgot that he sent me like pretty much steps of what to do. So I finished the SSD, so I'm just gonna do the GPU. Take out GPU, remove cover from the part you push in. Okay, this is the word. I need to, what's the word? Like, believe in myself. Like, it's not, I've done crazy yesterday. This is not that crazy. It is literally not that crazy. Like, I need to relax.
Only you do the things you do. You breathe life and made me know it. My worst days you bring me through it. Only you.
Look at my baby. Picasso. Oh my god, why am I sweating? I did 2 things and I'm literally sweating. Anyways, let me close this before something else falls on it. Look, let me see this? I might have to drop my phone on my bottom. So I'm a little stressed about that. Anyways, bye.
Do the things you do. You breathe life and made me know it. My worst days you bring me through it. Only you.
I just realized there's some parts that I didn't do exactly like how Logan told me to do it. So I'm just hoping this is working, and I'll ask him tonight. Okay, let's see if it works. Test run. Okay, y'all, it's way later at now, but look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's Hello Kitty dancing. Isn't that cute? And of course, my RGB lights are pink, and the PC is totally running. I'm downloading a bunch of games at the same time because I can. My second monitor is not working though. So Logan got me a display port. Hopefully tomorrow I can try to fix it. If not, I'll have to get another monitor, but so far so good. Anyways, I'm gonna go sleep. I got work in like a few hours. Well, I gotta wake up for work in a few hours. So, yeah. Honestly, for my very first PC that I built by myself, even though Logan helped me a lot, that was a pretty good job. I think I did a pretty good job. And yeah, I think y'all wants to say hi. Say good night.